Hey there, this video is going to show you how to make my 3x3x3 piston and sand door. So let's get started. So this door design has two main parts. One is a more typical sticky piston door, and then the other part is the double piston extender sand part. So this is the easier part of the two. So you just put it in the sticky pistons. There you have it. Now, just as proof of concept, wire them all in together, connect all the lines, flip the switch, closes, then opens again, closes, then opens again. So here's the double piston extender. And I'll just take a second to explain this, then I'll shut up and let you watch the video and see if you can get it from there. So you have the two pistons on top of each other with sand on top of that. So 2 blocks of sand, 2 pistons. Now what happens is power goes to the bottom piston first, and that lifts up the top one. And then when the top one's raised, it's put in position to receive power, so it extends also. Now the sticky pistons on the right with the purple blocks on them are set up to cut off the signal in the right order, so everything goes back down smoothly. Now we just start putting it all together. So we put the door pieces on both sides and start combining the elements together. So this is the biggest step that we've made so far. Don't freak out. You can pause and check out how I have all these things wired together. But what you're going to do is power all the pistons together and then tether them together in the middle with a redstone repeater in the middle. So that'll send signal from one side to the other. And just follow the colors. Green goes to the bottom on both sides. Blue goes to the side closest to the screen right now. Yellow goes to the top on both sides. And orange on the other side. Now to make sure that this works, I have 4 levers set up. So I'll hit 1. The orange comes over and half the yellow on both sides. Good. Hit the other one. Blue comes over and the other half of the yellow on both sides. The switch turns on both the greens on either side. And then finally, we can turn on our double piston extender. It goes up in the middle. So now, all we have to do is tie all these switches together so they can be controlled by one switch. And here it is now with all of the switches taken out and tied together, and now they're all controlled by one switch in the front and one switch in the back. These switches are levers on one side that control redstone torches on the other side of the block. When they are turned on and off, they power the redstone torch on and off, which sends a signal down this white row of blocks and goes to the front and turns on the whole machine. Alright, so let's test it out. Here it goes. There we go. And back open. And when you go inside, you can close the door behind you with the switch inside. I hope this video was at least a little bit helpful. I had a lot of fun making it, so enjoy. Let me know if you have any more questions. Peace out.